Hello internet friends, in this video I am continuing on the left tank. It's so confusing which tank I'm on. I have one tank done, mostly done, air quotes done. Still leak testing it, mostly leak free is what I will call it. Yeah, so one tank done, another tank obviously not done. So let's finish that tank. Then we'll build some wings. Then we'll go back to the fuselage. I think I recorded this video a couple weeks ago, actually. I got too busy. I did the work, and then I didn't record the video the same, or do the voiceover the same day. And then had a bunch of work stuff, so got busy for a week. But mixing Pro Seal is always fun. So let's just get into it. Let's see what else. Oh, and the other thing that's kept me busy is one of the local builders here in Vegas has finished his RV-14. So unfortunately, in Vegas, there's houses everywhere in the actual city. And what used to be just open desert around the airports is no longer open desert. So the FSDO won't actually let you do phase 1 testing within the city limits. So I offered up my hangar, and they accepted and brought their plane over to, they had to take the wings off, which caused a whole bunch of other problems. But eventually got back over to the hangar, put the wings back on, and then started flying the plane, found a couple of things to fix, but that's been flying. But because they live on one side of the town and Boulder City is on the other side, and Boulder City is not inside the Vegas city limits, obviously. So, and there's a bunch of open desert around Boulder City. So they will let you do phase 1 testing at Boulder City. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. Not actually building, but helping other people that have already built their airplanes. So back to work and back to getting all of this done. I will say that this technique that I'm doing right here of riveting these stiffeners on, Vance actually recommends back riveting. I didn't get the greatest results back riveting last time, so I decided I'm just going to just use the rivet gun and bucking bar. It gives me a little bit better control over the quality of the rivet, I think. The hard part is with back riveting, you really need to apply downward pressure so that way the surface is against the skin surface is tight against the back riveting plate. The only problem with having a bunch of Pro Sealed parts is you don't really want to push down on it because you'll get Pro Seal all over. So yeah, I guess either way, by using the rivet gun, I'm still getting Pro Seal all over because I have to touch it. But anyway, let's see what else. Kids are back to school this week, so I don't know what that means for my time availability. It means I might have more time during the day to sneak into the garage since there's no kids at home to entertain. But it might also mean that I work harder, and have more things to do at work. So I think the most important thing is to just try to maintain a cadence. Hopefully I don't have to travel too much for work. In fact, I have a whole week of work events here, like a conference in Vegas. So that's one of the nice things about living in Vegas is all the conferences come to you. So even when, my work has a global event, it's here in Vegas, so I don't have to go anywhere. Let's see what else. I have been reading through the new Mosaic rules, just because it's interesting, and it's 700 pages, but it does look like the light sport category because they created a maintenance category called light sport repairman. If you have your light sport repairman cert, you'll actually be able to work on a majority of the like GA piston fleet, I'm guessing, as long as it gets recertified to a light sport. So that's something that is interesting to me. There's a 2-week course to go get your light sport repairman's certificate. So I've been looking into that, just so I could do maintenance on planes, I guess. Planes that I'm going to fly. Because with that amateur build, you can get the repairman cert for your particular plane, which is why I'm building. But if you have that cert, then theoretically you could buy an experimental, so you could buy an RV and then do the maintenance on it, which was always the case for the RV-12, well, at least SLSA version of the RV-12. But if you're also building a SLSA RV-12, I don't know if you can build that, or ELSA, come join our chat groups. Just scan these QR codes and you'll get the invite and get dropped into the group. Use Slack because that's the one where everyone is. We just have the Discord just because. Anyway, I will see you there and see you in the next video.